Chapter 8, Manufacturing, Listening Test, Part 1.
Directions. For each question in this part, you will hear 4 statements about a picture in your test book. When you hear the statements, you must select the one statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then find the number of the question on your answer sheet and mark your answer. The statements will not be printed in your test book and will be spoken only one time. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A. The car parts are put together on the assembly line. B. The car exhibition is drawing a large crowd. C. The passengers are ready to board the bus. D. The baggage carousel is out of order.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A. The factory is packed with inspectors. B. They're wearing masks to prevent the heavy smoke. C. They're inspecting products for defects at a store. D. They're scrutinizing the result of a test run.
Part 2. Directions. You will hear a question or statement and 3 responses spoken in English. They will be spoken only one time and will not be printed in your test book. Select the best response to the question or statement and mark the letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Number 3. How often does the general manager visit the branch offices? A. 2 or 3 times a month. B. He paid a visit to the factory last month. C. Mostly to check on their progress.
Number 4. What does your company do with products that have defects in them? A. We sell them at lower prices. B. Those products were found to be defective. C. We're a leading company in the field.
Part 3.
Directions. You will hear some conversations between 2 people. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each conversation. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The conversations will be spoken only one time and will not be printed in your test book.
Questions 5 to 7 refer to the following conversation.
You always buy this company's products. Don't you compare it with others?
I used to, but I found they always produce quality products. They have a very good reputation for paying attention to every detail. I know I can rely on them time after time.
Brand loyalty doesn't always work. One day their quality might slip, you know. What would you do then?
If their quality does slip, you can be sure I'll change brands.
Number 5. Where does this conversation most likely take place? Number 6. What does the woman usually do when she goes shopping? Number 7. What does the woman imply?
Questions 8 through 10 refer to the following conversation. I heard we're going to hire 10 new inspectors to monitor the quality of goods produced by our factories.
That's right. We're mechanizing a lot of the manufacturing process, and we need to know how efficient it is. We're starting a test run this month.
I'll bet all those new machines and computers cost a lot of money.
Yes, but mechanization can standardize production. That way, our company can reduce, if not eliminate, a lot of errors from the manual workers. In the long run, owners are bound to experience reduced production costs due to decreased demand for labor.
Number 8. What are the speakers discussing? Number 9. What is the supposed benefit of mechanization? Number 10. What does the woman imply? Part 4. Directions. You will hear some short talks given by a single speaker. You'll be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speaker says in each short talk. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The talks will be spoken only one time and will not be printed in your test book.
Questions 11 through 13 refer to the following talk. I've called this meeting to discuss how to deal with a serious problem at our factory. In short, worker morale is very low. We have seen increasing absenteeism and decreasing productivity over the past few months. Since our workers are your responsibility, I'm asking you to motivate them by holding frank discussions at meetings to find out why this problem has arisen recently. Replacing our current workforce is not the answer. If the root problems are not found and corrected, the same situation will happen again. The prosperity of our company depends on how you handle this problem. Report back to me in 2 weeks with the results of your discussions, and I'll pass on your reports to the owners.
Number 11. Who is probably speaking? Number 12. Why is the speaker concerned? Number 13. What are the listeners asked to do? Questions 14 through 16 refer to the following announcement. Attention everyone! This morning we'll be going into the laboratory to inspect the purity of several chemicals. As always, you must wear protective gloves, goggles, and a lab suit at all times. Do not work in haste. Accuracy is a priority. Each of you will be assigned a different chemical, so some of you might take longer to complete this task. Follow the standard method for measuring the purity of your chemical. Everything you need is at your workstations. When finished, fill out the form at your desk and leave the laboratory. Those who successfully complete this part will be allowed to continue the program. But before that, you'll be gathered in the conference room. I'll brief you on the company's product lines.
Number 14. Who is most likely being addressed? Number 15. What are the listeners asked to do after they finish the task? Number 16. For those who complete the chemical analysis part, what are they going to do next?
This is the end of the listening test.